Hello guys, welcome back to Game Development Tutorials. Today, in our game, we will be adding some sound effects and music. Okay, so this is actually my second take, because I forgot to record audio. Feels good. Okay, so, playing sounds in Scratch is actually pretty easy. The hard part is actually getting those sounds. So I will provide two links in the description. One for the YouTube audio library, and the second one for BFXR download. By the way, with the audio library, you will not see this. You'll see something different, but there will be a blue button saying go to Classic Audio Library. Just click on that and you'll see this. Okay, so now to actually get the sound effects for the game, you just have to download BFXR with the link in the description. For me, it's the Windows download, so I'm just going to click Windows because I'm on Windows. So yeah. Okay, so now, I would search up BFXR. Then here it is. It should open. You will not be able to see it, but I see it. So once you've opened it up, I'm deleting all these sounds. Okay, so once you open it, it will just be like a small square with a brown background and a lot of buttons. So the buttons on the left side, I think that's left. The ones that have actual sound names on them, those are the ones that I'm talking about. You can click on them, and they will play a certain sound. Then to delete those sounds, on the bottom left, you will see the sound name, and then X next to it. Just click on that X, and it will delete. Okay, so I believe we only need two sounds for this game for right now. We only need an explosion sound and a shooting sound. So for my shooting sound, I'm going to click on the button that says laser/shoot. Ooh. That's already really good. Okay, yep. Okay, so once you have gotten your sound that you like, you can just hit export WAV. When you click on that, another little box should form, and you can save it wherever you want as long as you know how to get it. So now I'm just going to press save. Then I'm going to click on the explosion sound, or the explosion button, and just click until I find the sound that I like. Think I like that. Okay, now I'll just do export to WAV and just press save again because it will save to the same folder, I think. So now we can just close out of BFXR. And now in Scratch, we just want to go to the Sounds tab. First, select the player sprite, and then click on the Sounds tab, and just hover over Choose a Sound and go Upload Sound. And then this will open up the Downloads folder, I believe. And then you just want to go to the desktop for me, or wherever you saved your MP3. Well, not really. It's WAV, but whatever. And double click on the laser/shoot or underscore shoot. And I think this is a bit loud. I'm just going to click softer, so it's just like that. And I'm also going to rename this shoot. And now in the asteroids sprite, I'm going to do the same thing, upload a sound, then just double click on explosion. I'm just going to rename it to explosion. I'm going to make it softer again. Okay, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to click on the player sprite and go to the code tab. So now, when we press play and shoot, it does not do anything. That's because we actually have to play the sound. So to do that, we can just go to the Sounds tab, the pink tab, and say Start Sound, Shoot. There'll be a drop down, but it should only say shoot. Should say shoot and pop, or just shoot. Okay, now when we press play, we should play the sound effect. Nice. Okay, so now let's do the same thing, but in the asteroids. So let's click on the asteroid sprite, and then right before we call death, we want to start sound explosion. Now, when we press play, let's wait for an asteroid to spawn. And if we blow this up, there we go, it will play. Keep doing this, it will keep playing. There we go, beautiful. Okay, now let's add some music to the game. So, I've already got some music set up. So let's open the YouTube audio library, probably the second link in the description. And since I already know the name of the music, I'm just going to search up dark_cloak. I spelled dark wrong, man. And there it is. Play it. Pretty cool. Okay, so now, at the very end of this long button, we can just hover over this little symbol, press download, and it will automatically download it to your downloads folder. So now we can just reopen the Scratch tab, go to the backdrops, go to the Sounds tab, and I already have it here from the last time. I'm just going to delete that and re-upload it. Say upload sound, go to the downloads folder, and double click on Dark Cloak. Okay, good. Now to save space on this computer, I'm just going to delete the Dark Cloak and the other sounds, because I will never be using them again. Great. Okay, so now to actually play the sound, we'll do one click, forever, but here's where it starts to get a bit different. We don't want to say start sound Dark Cloak, so it just won't do anything, because it's continuously starting. We want to say play sound Dark Cloak until done. Then it will play. And since it's in a frame, it will loop. There we go. It has some sound effects. Nice. Okay, and that is it for this video. So I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, make sure to hit like and subscribe. Bye guys, and see you in the next part. Bye.